Hello, and from the heart of England, welcome to my bookshop. This is the first in a series of videos in which I'm going to be showing you how to take care of your books. Now, books are very particular things. They're very fussy. They don't like extremes of anything. They don't like to be too hot, for instance. They don't like to be too cold. They don't like to be too humid or too dry. And they don't like to be too tightly packed on the shelves. They don't want to be too loose either. So here we have a very nice, very neatly laid out set of books here. They're not too tight, they're not too loose. They're just right, just how books like to be. One of the very common things that I see with books is that when they're too tightly packed, you get this problem. The spine becomes distorted, it kind of slopes, and once it's gone like that, you won't get it back to normal without using a book press, which is something that most people don't have knocking around the house. It's important to keep books out of direct sunlight. They do not like that. They will fade and they will discolour. One of the very common problems that I see is when books have been packed too tightly. Not only will the spines sometimes twist, but also you'll get this occurring where the jacket will ride up when you put it back. The jacket might ride up like this, so that the jacket is slightly protruding above the actual spine of the book, the actual head of the spine of the book, so that when you go to pull it out, as we very often do, pull it out with our finger, pull the jacket, and because there's resistance, the jacket will rip just here. Now I'll show you how to repair that, but you really want to avoid this in the first place, especially with your precious books. I'll also show you a way of doing a little trick which will make sure that doesn't happen. So here's an example of a very poorly arranged shelf. The books here are too loose. Now, if these are left for a long time like this, they will take a set and they will actually distort and they will twist. Now, you often see this with library books when they're not put back on the shelves properly, not supported properly. Again, books need to be just adequately supported, like this. Well, I do hope you've enjoyed this quick introduction. Next time I'll be showing you how to do some very quick repairs to torn book jackets. Any questions or comments, do leave them below, and please subscribe for more.